In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default search engine on the Opera web browser on your MacBook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. We want to select the button up in the menu bar that says Opera. Go ahead and select that and then select Settings. And now in the search settings field at the top, go ahead and search for search engine. Best result should come back with search engine here. You can see our default is Google right now. You can select the change button if you want to change it to a different engine and then select set as default. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.